In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Gemini CLI on Cursor ID. So let's open the cursor. So this you can here already have this project. There we need to go on this file, then preference, then extension. Let's do the search Gemini. Then go here, Gemini Code Assistant, and this here Gemini CLI Companion. Click this. Then you need to click on this install. Trust, and this here currently this installing this Gemini CLI Companion succeeded. This succeeded there. After that, let's go this closing the and now simply going to restart the cursor. Let's reopen again. Let's go on this view. Come on, palette, and here let's search Gemini. So you can get here Gemini CLI drop. So click this. There you can see this here Gemini, and this location is there. That's come. Or the second option, you can directly open the new terminal. There you can also write there Gemini. So let's go back here. This let's click on yes button. Yes, and press enter. Yes, and now or here type your message or file. Let's test with hi. So I've given the hi, and this here hello, how can I help you? So here want to launch cursor command line to command now this. So okay, I will do this later.